Hi there. It's winter time, and I'm here to give you few quick tips how to take care of your skin during this weather. And I have to rush for a meeting. Before that, I thought I'll catch up with you all and give you this quick and easy tips which you can follow very easily during this weather to keep yourself glowing and um, healthy skin, to have a healthy skin. So winter time, it is very important. The first step is, it is very important to keep yourself hydrated. This is the time when you might not feel very thirsty, and then you will skip drinking water. But not drinking enough water will bring wrinkles on your skin, and your skin will look dull, and you won't get that freshness, that glow on your face, which is very important. Even if you don't put any makeup, but it is very important to have a naturally glowing and that plumpy skin, which for which you need to keep yourself hydrated. So please keep yourself hydrated. Drink enough water. For that, I'll give you another one good tip. Set up a water alarm on your phone. As soon as, like an hourly alarm, as soon as the alarm rings, just get up from your place, or take a break from whatever you're doing and drink a glass of water. So that will suffice the need of the body, and your skin will get that plumpy, that young feel, and it won't get wrinkled. So that is your tip number one. Tip number two is, which of course all of you know, you have to use good amount of moisturizer for your skin. So for that, I'll split it into two things, like during a day regime and a night regime. So for day regime, after your shower, massage in good amount of moisturizer, and into your face, skin also, and all over your body, your hands, your legs, your stomach. So but please remember to use moisturizer and not a cream. So for other parts of your body, you can use cream, but for face, please try and use moisturizer. So that won't bring any pimples. If you have oily skin, or if you are like going out, you have to, like you're going on bike, or your job is that kinds. So avoid using cream based things. Use moisturizers, so that it 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 will get blended, it will get good massaged, and you absorbed by your skin, and your skin will feel fresh. So that you do after your showers. And during night, after you remove your makeup, and uh, either wash your face with warm water, or you can remove your makeup with your makeup remover, or, as I always tell you, with uh, coconut oil, which is very good for your skin, for your hair. So uh, wash your face with warm water, clean up all the dust, all the makeup on your face, and then take some amount of extra virgin coconut oil, and then massage it gently in your skin till it gets absorbed. And when you wake up in the morning, you will feel like taking a selfie. So you look so fresh, and so beautiful. So that is tip number 2. Tip number 3 is take some amount of honey and put some rose water into it. Mix it well and then put it on your lips to have soft pink lips naturally, without putting any lipstick. So like this is a very good, very effective effective regime for your lips. So it gives a natural, in few days you'll start seeing that your lips are looking pink, that natural pink, that lip pink, what we call it. So that shade will come on your lips. Your lips will feel very soft and pink soft lips, so you can imagine, and that too naturally. So a glowing, naturally glowing skin and naturally pink lips, who doesn't want it? So please follow these tips during this winter. And we will talk about hair in our next part, and also about the colors to be used during winters. So this is a very nice time of the year, where you can play with colors. You can use bold, dark, bright, fresh colors. You can play with the prints, and you can have those bold looks. So about that we'll be talking in our next video. Till then, signing off. This is Radha Mane for you, your personal fashion stylist and fashion designer. Please do subscribe to our channel. Please share and like, and let us know how these tips got useful for you. Much love. Thank you so much.